In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change accent in Heygen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the interface and how to lock in the accent and voice engine that fit your project. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Heygen. This is the quickest way to reach the official site, especially if you're not sure of the exact URL. In the results, look for the official Heygen website. It should clearly indicate the brand and take you to their platform rather than third-party pages. Click that correct link to continue. Once you're on the Heygen homepage, click Sign In. Use your regular account details to access your workspace. If you're already signed in, you might be taken straight to your dashboard, which is perfect. From there, click AI Studio. This is where you create and manage projects with avatars and voice settings. Give the page a second to load, since the studio view can include project assets and templates. If you're prompted to pick a project, open the one you're working on, or start a new draft so you can access voice controls. On the right-hand side of the studio, look for the panel labeled Avatar and Voice. This sidebar is your control center for how the avatar looks and sounds. If your screen is narrow, you may need to expand or scroll the panel to see everything. Under the Voice section, click the current voice or the edit area beneath it. This opens the voice settings, where you can fine-tune how your avatar speaks. Next, click the drop-down for accent. This menu typically lists regional options, such as different English accents and others, depending on what's available to your account. Pick the accent that best matches your audience or brand tone. Right below or near the accent control, choose the voice engine. Options often include Auto, 11 Labs, Panda, and others. Auto lets Heygen select an engine that's optimized for your choice, while picking a specific engine can give you a consistent style or pronunciation profile. If you're not sure, Auto is a safe starting point, and you can return here to refine it later. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Save. This step applies your accent and engine choices to the current avatar within the studio. Watch for any on-screen confirmation, and remember that changes typically affect newly generated speech from this point forward. That's it. Your accent is updated and ready to use in Heygen. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.